In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best PlayStation 4 discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so we'll jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for PS4 discount promo codes. Right here, select this very first website, which is couponfollow.com. And as you can see right here, we have only three different promo codes that we can use to get some discounts. For example, if I want to get this 10% discount of my next order, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can use and apply on my next purchase in order to get this 10% discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we also have this website which is called simplycodes.com. And as you can see right here, we also have at least three different promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to get this 20% discount, all I have to do is just select copy code right here. And this is the discount code that I can apply on my next purchase in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.